Hello, welcome to the Magical McDs channel. A little bit of a different agenda for today. We are heading down to the town of Winter Haven. Google Maps is telling us it's going to take about 50 minutes. We're headed to, if you guys watch a lot of Disney YouTubers, you've probably seen every one of them go to the Lakeland Antique Mall, which is obviously in Lakeland. That is not where we're heading, but we're heading in the same general direction. We're heading to kind of maybe like a contemporary to that store, but more on the furniture side of things. It's called
Forever Vintage Surplus?
Forever Vintage Surplus. They definitely specialize more in like the mass furniture that Disney kind of gets rid of when they do like a renovation or they're remodeling something. That's the kind of stuff they get there. Whereas Lakeland is more about, well, you can get furniture at Lakeland, don't get me wrong. That's more about like
get some seasonal items.
Yeah, collectibles, vintage.
Yeah. I mean, like you could get, I think, ride vehicles there sometimes.
Yeah.
But it's really cool. The Forever Vintage.
Or like lamps and beds and couches.
Yeah, like mirrors. Just stuff that's in the hotels. Like
that's
resorts.
Right. That's right. That's beautiful, by the way.
Hi. Good morning.
That's the voice you're hearing. So we're gonna go down. As you know, we have a brand new home that we are filling up, and we're gonna let the furniture talk to us. And if something pops out and we think it's a good fit, we might be coming home with something. I don't know. Here's one of our Orange County's finest. Ooh, looks like there might be something going on here.
Uh-oh.
I don't know. Or they're just hanging out. We're on the border of Osceola County, so they're at the limits of their jurisdiction here. Let's break the law and go 2/10 of a mile.
They're actually on the Orange County side right now. So.
Oh, well, yeah. You have no power here.
As soon as you cross 27.
Oh, is that
Osceola.
it? We can totally get away.
Yeah, that's
yeah. There's probably some rule, like if they're in pursuit, they're allowed to cross boundaries, though.
I'm sure.
The same state. There might be some reciprocity.
Adrian's making stuff up.
I don't know. I did go to law school, though. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna head down there, about a 50-minute drive through the magic of Hollywood. You guys will be teleported to Winter Haven when we next meet. Well, we have arrived, and just to give you an idea of like where we are, we're in rural Central Florida. Hey, last time we came, this lot was gravel, so they've definitely done some upgrades. And I got to tell you right off the bat, I think there's a pretty cool chair from the Wilderness Lodge for $85. Oh, it's from Boulder Ridge. That's Wilderness Lodge, though, isn't it? Yeah. So pretty cool. Let's head on. I like this barrel. For $3.95. It's from Disney. Where would that have been?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
It's interesting. I love this stuff.
Yeah, all right. We're going to head on in, assuming they let us film, and we'll show you some more stuff. Before we go, and the other thing I noticed out here is this paddle boat. I wonder if this is like an old Swan and Dolphin or something from Bay Lake. If you guys have old school Disney fans and you recognize this kind of paddle boat, and was it at Disney? Let us know in the comments. We're barely in the door, and Amber's already decided she wants the boardwalk in. Math. Actually, that would look good, but anywhere really, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would look good on our breezeway.
It would look good in the breezeway. But there's a lot more collectible stuff than I remember when we were here. There's all sorts of little trinkets. I thought it was a lot more furniture based, but
there is in the shed. So
we'll head over there in a minute.
We never came in this part of the store. We only went in that.
Was it available when we were here before?
I feel like the answer is no.
Yes, this is all new to us.
It was probably 3-ish years ago. It
was when we first moved here.
First got here, yeah.
Yeah. So a lot of this art was in the boardwalk. $95. I think a lot of these were one time or another in the book. This was in the boardwalk. $295 for this big Dumbo print. That's pretty cool. And another $95 print here from the boardwalk. These paintings are all from the boardwalk, baby.
Oh, cool.
Dumbo over here is $285. Is that what I said?
That's so cool.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I really like it.
Yeah. Looks like NBA store hangers here. $6 a piece from the now closed NBA experience.
Oh, those are cool.
Those are cool.
Haunted Mansion? I don't remember those, do you?
I do not.
Oh, pass holder exclusive.
Limited release, $75. All right, let's see what else they got. Okay, we're kind of like at this Dumbo. $14.95. Oh, that's neat. Flaming Tree barbecue table, $95. And then we really like this piece too. These drawers do not open. I think this is like a between the beds piece of furniture at one of the hotels. I'm not sure it's for sale though. Oh, this looks like it's from the the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Let's see. That's right. It's called Agrabah, $395. So this place really has everything, and I love it. There's like so much in here, it's overwhelming. And trying to capture it on film for you guys while also looking for myself is quite a challenge. So I'm going to log off for a bit and log back on when I see something really interesting to show you. All right, this one caught our eye. This used to be in one of the Grand Floridian suites back in the day. It's just a set of 2 drawers. It's got this really cool silver finish on it, and it is $195. And we think it would work at the bottom of our staircase as like a catch-all. I don't know. Tempting. It's not the worst price in the world. All right, so we got 2 items worth noting here. 3, actually. So we got the Haunted Mansion dog bed.
It's the Doom Buggy.
Oh, that's right. It's Doom Buggy. That's a good point.
She would love this.
$29. Okay, do the reveal. Move it away.
Maybe.
Disney Cruise Line. Do not sell. Not for sale.
Not for sale.
What a bummer. What a bummer.
I do like this.
And then this is the piece that brought us out today. This is from the Contemporary. Kind of like the rug it's sitting on, to be honest with you.
Oh, yeah.
With the hidden Mickey. Mm-hmm. Not so hidden. But now that we're seeing it in person, I'm not sure this is for us.
Yeah, I know.
Lots of clothes back here, though. Anybody need a fleece Guardians of the Galaxy blanket? This is the place to come.
We all know.
But look, you can tell patterns from the hotels here. Yeah, Bay Lake Tower. So these are all from... Oh, Halloween Horror Night pillows.
Halloween Horror Night?
Halloween.
That's Disney.
Welcome to Halloween.
That's not so
yeah, they don't use the word horror, do they?
No.
Those are cool pillows.
But they are, yeah. I remember these. These were from a couple years ago.
Yeah.
I do remember this
Wicked and
collection
spooky.
because it was kind of like fluorescent.
Universal probably is like...
I have the Crocs that were from this year's collection.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, God, there's just so much cool stuff here. Eat your heart out, Lakeland Antique Mall. I'm digging these light sconces from, I'm guessing, the Animal Kingdom Lodge, but they're the $195, I think, for the set. But you'd have to wire these in, and I lack the technical capabilities to do that. But I do like these lamps. $139. I think this is also from, Animal Kingdom Lodge. By the way, in-store entertainment, they're playing Avengers Endgame. So it's not just furniture here. We've got dishware. I think there's definitely more. Animal Kingdom seems to be like the prevalent theme today, but like Grand Floridian, the Yacht and Beach Club Resort. Let's serve some potato chips on that. Looks like that's from the Dream cruise ship, a champagne flute. Well, here we go, getting into some statues.
That's a cool Splash Mountain shirt.
That's a cool.
Did you see this? It's not around anymore. So.
No, that is old school.
That's really cool.
Yeah, is there a price tag on it?
Let me see.
Well, that the first part was. It was hard? Yeah, I was on radio when they,
Ride no longer exists in its current form.
Oh, no.
it's like boxes, like rows.
I don't see. Oh, no.
A lot of Donald Duck statues over here.
And I said, okay,
I love the Donald attention.
this one has 4 letters in it. And the first one, I didn't look at the other end of it. And, this ain't gonna happen. So, you know. So I said, whatever it was. And I said,
Oh, that's a cool painting of the Crystal Palace on Main Street. I like that a lot.
and then the middle box.
What do you think, Amber?
Cool. I don't see a price tag on it.
And then the last box, they were perfect.
Okay, I think this is a shower curtain. This is I'm sorry, it's a window drape from the yacht club. These are the Constellations. We just stayed there and we enjoyed these ourselves in our room.
Yeah, it was one of my favorites. If you look at them closely, they have all the cool
Houndus Lilith.
like look, that's Flounder.
Oh yeah, they're Disney characters.
That's-
Mickey,
I think we pointed it out. when we
Maximus
stayed.
Jovialus. Yeah,
Yeah, very cool.
I love it. There's also this is my favorite part of the store. There's just everything in mass. Look, stuff from the boardwalk up there, paintings. These are huge prints.
It's so cool here.
Yeah, they had a Pirates of the Caribbean shower curtain. I'm not gonna lie, I think it was one of those pirate suites
Oh,
at Caribbean Beach. Yeah, in fact, they've got a couple. There's another one right there.
very cool.
I love it. Hello, everybody. They've got a crazy selection of like light fixtures, pillows, but mainly art. I mean, look at all these framed art. And again, a lot of these are from the resorts. On the DVC. Lots of good stuff. It's just overwhelming is the word of the day. And like random stuff too. Like, look. Bug spray, anybody? This is from Fort Wilderness. We're actually going there next weekend. Looking forward to it. And we're going to be using plenty of that, let me tell you. All right, honey, I'm replacing the chandelier in the kitchen. I think this will work. As long as we get the pirate flag to back it up. This must have been from like the ride itself. That is freaking awesome. We're also looking at some garland, maybe, which they have plenty of for $95 a strand. That's a cool chair. For $295. I think I'd break that if I sat in it, though. Bunk beds from the Wilderness Lodge.
That's very cool.
That's pretty cool too.
Hey, baby, I found the wreath for our door next year.
It'll complement the Pirates of the Caribbean chandelier.
Look how big that is.
It's huge, and look, there's a smaller one hanging up. I say smaller; it's still gigantic, and that's a gigantic piece of.
cool.
That looks like the kind of the garland they would string across the Main Street.
It might
It's
be.
so large.
That wreath. This wreath is $195. That's a steal.
It's a steal, yeah.
Yeah.
I like this big table too. It's freaking dope. I'm a sucker for barrels, though. I don't know what it is. I would love to have a barrel on our patio. And this one's $195, probably from Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's see. It just says Disney barrel prop, so I'm going to pretend it's from Pirates. See if we can talk Amber into it. I tell you what, with Muppets Vision 3D going away in just a couple of months, this might be worth picking up and having on hand. Put it by your front door. If you're not this tall, you can't come in.
It's pretty cool.
That is awesome. Should look good in like a garage or something, or in a kid's room.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure that we filmed Molly. Molly joined us at the
I think you probably caught her in a shot or two.
at the antique store.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're obviously
And she was a hit with the owners.
staff, yeah.
Yes.
So we're obviously done with that. We're on our way home now. We're on Highway 27, and we saw this on the way down, so we knew we had to come here on the way back. Webb's Candy Factory with goat milk fudge ice cream. Looks like they've got some sort of team up with Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know. We're gonna check it out. I kind of want some chocolate covered raisins, and I think they can make that happen. So let's go ahead and find out. Oh yeah, here we are, and it is. They've got like, it's a candy factory, and there is a Dunkin' Donuts attached. Double Trouble ice cream.
I'm sorry, what? Jelly Bellies makes pet gators?
Of course they do.
What is that? I love it. It's a gummy gator.
Then there's like metal stormtroopers. This is why I love living in Florida. I think we need the original tourist chandelier set here, Amber. Oh, Amber, you said we need a new salt and pepper shaker.
Wow. I'm holding out hope that we.
I think that's the way to go.
I'm holding out hope we find our dinosaur one.
They got a bear? I don't know. I think you're passing up some good options here. All right, I'm going to go look for some chocolate covered raisins. I'll let you know what we find. Oh, they weren't kidding. This is a no-joke factory. And I guess the chocolatier is on break right now, but normally you can come back here and see them making.
Oh, look, it's like, that's really cool.
Oh, the machinery's running.
It's running.
Chocolate's cooking. I think we have to walk out of here at least with a milk chocolate bar.
Something.
I think we got to try it. Yeah.
Let's figure it out.
And then I'm guessing they do stuff up here too. This is really cool. This is worth stopping at, you guys, especially if you're going down to the antique shop we just went to. I highly recommend stopping into the Webb's Candy Shop, because small independent places like this need to be supported. Yummy. All right, well, there you have it. We ended up getting a couple chocolate bars. We got a nice selection of ice cream. Staff here is super friendly. Amber's on our way out to eat her chocolate. We got a milk chocolate bar, an orange chocolate bar, and some peanut butter squares. And I think those peanut butter squares are an endangered species. But yeah, highly recommend. And like I said, there's a Dunkin' Donuts on the other side, should you prefer donuts. Home sweet home. Look, there's Gary in his new spot. And here we are. There's beautiful life. Well, that's going to wrap it up. We had a good time at the antique store. We're in our breezeway, so I apologize for the echo.
Yeah. Forever vintage surplus.
Awesome.
It was great.
Yeah, we.
That's wonderful. There's so much to look at.
Yeah, I mean, last time we did this, we did Lakeland Antique Mall with it, but that was another 50-minute drive, and we just didn't want to do that. We had Molly with us, so yeah. I think they're two separate days out.
They are.
Yeah, or one very long day.
Sure.
So that's going to do it. We had a great time. We got some chocolate from the chocolate store.
Yeah.
That was a nice find.
From Webb's, yes. I got these peanut butter squares, and they're to die for.
Yeah. So, that's going to do it. Until next time, have fun storming the castle.
And stay magical.